Hello and welcome to the daily Forex report for August 30th. We're looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair has created a swing trade, an inside bar for the second day in a row. We are looking for this pair to continue overall moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 77.30, possibly as low as 76.20. Look for some resistance around 77.15 and look for some support around 76.25. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair has created a swing trade setup. Look for it to head to the downside, although it does have an upward bias, so if it does move lower, look for it to get out quick. We'll talk about that a little bit more here in a minute. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 146.11, possibly as low as 142.95. Look for some resistance at 145.15, and look for some support around 143.75. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair created a swing trade setup. It is also looking, I'm also looking for it to move lower. Look for it to potentially, however, to move as high as 164.86, possibly as low as 161.46. Look for some resistance around 164.15 and look for some support around 162.50. Last but not least, we have the US Swiss. It's continuing to move to the upside. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.8310, possibly as low as 0.8058. Look for some resistance around 0.8238 and look for some support around 0.8050. Well, now that about does it for the charts. As far as news analysis go, we have the German unemployment change for August being released at 3:55 a.m. Eastern Time. Of course, that will affect the euro. It shows that it has dropped from, improved from a negative 11K to a negative 10K. We also have the Canadian dollar releasing their quarterly gross domestic product annualized at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that things have dropped from 3.9% to 0.0%. Now we also have the Chinese releasing their PMI manufacturing for August. That's being released at 9 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. They're showing an increase from 50.7 to 51. All right, now as far as what I'm looking for during this next session, I actually have several things that I'm looking for. A breakout of the double inside bar that we have here in the yen would be one thing that I'm looking for. And we'll go through those right now. Looking for a buy at the right above the 77.00 mark, so 77.01. Looking for it to go up about 17 pips up to 77.17. To the downside, looking for a drop below 76.55 and going down about 10 pips to 76.45. Now the Euro USD, this pair created a swing trade setup over the past 3 sessions. So I am looking for it to drop to the downside, looking to take out just a little bit out of the market, not a whole lot, not compared to a daily range for sure. Looking to grab about 23 pips to the downside, entering around the 1.4410 mark and exiting around the 143.83 mark. Do be aware we're crossing a 0-0 line, so we could run into some support at that point. Now looking at the pound US dollar pair, this pair has also created a swing trade setup over the past 3 sessions. I am looking for it to drop as well. This one is would be fairly quick, about a 22 pip move, getting in around 162.77 and dropping to 162.55. No 0-0 mark, not even a 50 mark on this one. So this would be a good one to take over the Euro USD if you're just trying to find one. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.